一方でルーセントスティールであったりエシカルゴールドであったり、そういったサステナビリティにもすごく配慮している、ショパールさんですけども、何かこうサステナビリティっていう部分で大切にしているポイントだとか、何かそういった特にサステナビリティに対して思うところはあるんでしょうか？
Chopard has been on the forefront of, I would say, sustainability issues. And we believe it is very important to source the right material, the best possible material, in also taking into consideration all the social and sustainability issues. So when we introduced Alpine Eagle, for example, we also introduced for the first time a steel which is 85% recycled, which is made within 1,000 kilometers from Geneva. So the steel comes from Austria. And basically this steel is even what you would say upcycled, because it is more resistant. It has a very special shine to it. And it corresponds to today's values. We have the values as a family company. For us, sustainability is very important. And the same stands for gold. The gold watch you are wearing is made of ethical gold, so the sourcing of the gold is known. And we introduced this already back in 2014. So we have been very early with all these approaches, and it's true that our clients appreciate it very much.